What is up, YouTube? Back at again with another video here for you guys. Today's gonna be a little bit different. Me and my brother got ourselves some track ready race cars, but not for the street or the dirt. Well, for the dirt, but mini version. Check it out. We got ourselves brand new Kyosho Infernos MP9s TK14 version 2. So the newest one they have, supposedly it's the upgraded one. What does it have new on it again, George? There we go. Something's a little upgraded. A lot of this stuff cannot read. It's in Japanese. So, yeah. But anyways. So here it is. Don't we all love them when they're brand new in the box? My gosh, look at this. I cannot wait to tear this up at the track, you know what I'm saying? Alright, let's get it out of here. What's this first? I went ahead and cut everything, but didn't open it. So we got ourselves in this box So in this box, we got the fancy remote. It's kind of angled, check that out. It's kind of weird, huh? But we got that. And in this one right here, we got some tools, air filter. That looks like the wrench to take off the wheel. Anyways, no one cares about this shit anyways. Let's open this right here. What sucks, it's never gonna look this nice again. Damn, dude, how did this shit come off? I'm gonna break the car. Kyosho did a really good job on packaging this thing right here, man. Tell you what, she's really gonna move it, man. Fucking Traxxas, they just throw them shits in there, dude. My God. Alright. Man, here she is. This is the revealing part right here. Shit. That thing looks fucking like a fucking race car, dude. Alright, so probably gonna go to the track tomorrow. And we gotta break it in tonight. It's already like 10 o'clock, so our neighbors are gonna hate us for sure. So it needs to go through 5 tanks before you can even romp on it. Check that out. I know it's an RTR, and I know like a lot of you guys say, if you guys are like badasses in this shit, say not to get RTRs, but I'm not gonna spend $2 grand at a hobby shop to build one, because that's what the guy said. He's like, if you're gonna build one, you're gonna spend $1,500 to $2,500, depending on what you're gonna get. He's like, RTR, $500 will get you on the track. All right, so let's go ahead and break them in and see how they go when we turn them on. And of course, guys, my brother got one too. We had to, you know, the dual right here. So my brother went ahead and he went through 1 tank of his already. He's about to go through his second. So he's breaking his in, getting ready for tomorrow. How do you feel, George?
Well,
you ready for tomorrow?
I'm gonna break it.
Sheesh. What do you call out that's gonna happen first?
Something fall off that's loose on it.
I give mine fucking, I know for sure, like a tie rod or something, because I be hitting everything besides the jumps. These things are so badass. Just wait till they turn on right now, guys. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and go through the second tank right here. Oh my God. What's going on?
You don't need to put it too high.
I swear it started earlier. Oh, it's because the remote's off. There you go. What's going on, George? Talk to me.
No.
Oh my God. What's good? You flooded it, brother. So we learned that you have to warm up the motor with the heat gun in order to get a smooth start. What it did earlier, and I don't know what's going on now. What do you think is going on, George?
I don't know.
Maybe it's because we paused to do my video.
Hold on.
Let's see what happens.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, brother. Oh yeah, brother.
There you go.
Getting his workout in today.
I don't think there's any fuel, man.
Well, it started earlier, so I don't know what's going on, guys. We'll take a little technical break. Oh, that shit sucks up mad fuel like that, huh? Try it now.
Again? You going in?
Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
I'll tell you when.
Can't wait to go racing, brother. Alright guys, so I don't know if you guys can hear me, but right now we're basically breaking them in. So far I'm 2 tanks in, so this is my second tank. So we're just letting them idle here on the regular 20% nitro. Nothing too crazy. And also keep an eye on the temps too as well. The block chilling around 180, 91 to 87, and the head's like at 140, I think. 133, 137. So temps are pretty good. Just keep an eye on the temps. That's all you gotta do for the break-in period. Sorry if you guys can't hear me that well. The car's kind of loud, but not too loud. Neighbors for sure gonna hate us because it's about, what time is it? It's fucking 12 o'clock and we're breaking them in, huh? Perfect timing. And we got Drew built over here setting up the bump box. Is that what it's called? Starter box.
How correcting me?
Starter box. We're just 2 rookies, you know, having fun, I guess. So far I'm having fun just fucking starting them and shit, huh? Setting them up. So we got this bad boy belt driven. Push them down, start the car, make it easier for us.
I did it at 4S, Lipo.
Yes sir, you already know right away. Sheesh.
Dude, I had beans.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I had the whole bag.
Nice. Oh, right here.
Bag. Yeah.
Nice.
Good for your order.
Remember, you got 2 more stickers right here to label your remote and your car. Since we do got 2 cars of everything, so we have to label everything because we both have XRTs, both have sledges, both had UDRs. We only got 1 Gravedigger, but you can tell the difference, right? I'm pretty sure. But yeah, we label everything. Track day tomorrow. We're gonna take the sledges too as well because we did track them out. If you want to check it out, that's my sledge. Got a track ready. I'm gonna add some sway bars when we get to the track. Change up the spring rate and also change up the shock oil. I have it over here. I'm gonna try some different shock oil at the track, but mainly we're gonna be breaking those in and like putting those around, but taking the sledges too as well. Label the remotes. Alright guys, so we are now on our third tank. Huh? It's about to be 1 o'clock. We're on our third tank. We got our starter box, bump box working. So that's good for the track tomorrow. So hopefully it goes well. This guy. Making sure the temps are good. We put these boxes on the floor, that way we don't dirty the floor as much as it already is. And it kind of makes them a little quieter. Mine idle down right now. Oh. Keeping them a little warm for the break-in cycle. Alright guys, it is now 1:30 in the morning and we got everything already set up, ready to hit Revelation tomorrow. You ready, George? So we got Drew built sledge here. He put on sway bars, shock oil, springs. Mine's still stock. So I need to put everything on tomorrow at the track. I got Drew built's Kyosho MP9. Mine's in the bottom box right here. This is our little fucking RC pack out shit we have. And the batteries for the sledges, the remotes. I'm taking a track light too. Dude, I can't forget my parts. They're over there still. I almost forgot. I know. Let's put them inside right now. So not this thing right here. So we're gonna take this and the springs. Is the shock oil over there? So this is all we're taking. I'm gonna install this at the track, last minute like always.
Oh, you bought springs too?
Yeah.
Those things are a bitch to put on, dude.
Shit. Well, we'll try it at the track. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for this video here. If you guys wanna see us hit the track, that's gonna be a separate video. So make sure to stay tuned and subscribe. Peace out. Thank you guys for watching.
Subscribe.